To turn off vibration for a specific app on your iPhone, we'll go to Settings, and then scroll all the way down to Apps. Then, from the list of apps, you'll find the app that you want to stop vibrating. I'll pick the Messages app, for example. We'll then go to Notifications, and from the notification settings, you'll tap Sounds, even though this has nothing to do with sounds. On the very top, you'll see a menu for haptics, and this is where you can change the vibration patterns, or simply choose None from the bottom. And that's basically it. One thing that's worth mentioning is that not all third-party apps support this. Regular system apps like Mail, Messages, FaceTime, etc. always have the haptics menu available. But if you're trying to change it for something like WhatsApp, you'll notice that the haptics option is not there. For third-party apps like this, you usually need to go into the settings inside the app itself to turn off vibration. And that's how you turn off vibration for specific apps. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.